Join us on the 7th of May here at the University of Southampton to enjoy a day full packed of free events, activities, and open your eyes to the world of science, technology, engineering, arts, and maths.
Try out being an engineer for the day by exploring some of our state-of-the-art technology on Boulderwood campus, like our towing tank, drone simulator, or underwater remotely operated vehicles.
Or perhaps you're more of a biologist. Here at the Valley Gardens, you can take a break and step into a world of biodiversity. Immerse yourself in nature while learning about sustainability and wildlife, or even try your hand at creating sustainable arts and crafts.
You could even be an astronomer for the day by exploring our mobile planetarium or by creating some black hole poetry.
There is so much to explore at Science and Engineering Day, so what are you waiting for?
Discover the amazing and book your free ticket today at saltsurf.co.uk.